See, we go way back. Oh, I remember.
Hello everyone, since Mother's Day is near the corner, I decided to show you some easy DIY, so let's start this video. The first one is one of my favorites. For this one you will need a canvas, and using a liquid glue I will try to write.
By the sounds I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight, dripping.
Now I'm adding red glitter, and I will repeat the exact same thing for the rest of the canvas.
Lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
After that, I'm leaving the glue to dry, and after 10 minutes, I'm taking the glitter splash
Can make me.
and my thank you for everything canvas for my mother is completely done. For the next one, I will melt 2 candles. This one smells like strawberries and it's such a good smell.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender.
I'm putting this in a hard ice cube tray, and I will make a heart candle. Isn't it a beautiful gift? What do you think about this one? And when the candles are dry, you can remove this, and that's all you need to do. Moving to cards, I'm making 2 beautiful cards, and these are a good last minute gift idea. This card is my favorite. Also, if you want to make some easy and delicious treats, I will leave down below in the description some videos like how to make lava cake and a lot of delicious treats.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile,
This card is easier than the first one, but another thing is, if you don't want to spend a lot of time in painting, writing stuff, you can obviously print a beautiful card, but I thought that it would be a cuter gift if you're making a DIY, and these 2 gifts are perfect, as I've said. Last but not least, I'm using a green clay to make an amazing gift. To create a hand, I'm using an X-Acto knife,
Why, no, we don't even know why. No. Black eye, time, baby, time. Cold outside and you're just in a t-shirt. I have cold blood even in a sweater. You start your night sipping.
and also a cute heart. I mean, look how beautiful this is.
Must have confused me, confused.
Now I'm putting this in the oven. I can't tell you at the exact same time because each clay has his own time, and when you buy it you will see the timing on packaging. After that I'm gluing a magnet, and now I won't lose my bobby pins. Isn't a good life hack?
There ain't no excuses to excuse.
So basically that's all for today. I really hope you guys like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below what was your favorite DIY from this video, and subscribe because it's free. And thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day. Bye guys.